Hi guys, my name is Johanna. This is my first video, so welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make multicolored slime. So subscribe for future videos. Now let's get on with the video. The things you will need is something to stir your slime with, glue, shaving cream, Tide or Gain, and whatever color you want to use. These colors I am using, and this is optional, glitter. And you also need another container to make your slime with. The first step is to get your glue and pour it in. Not as much because you want other glue for your other slimes. Then you want to add whatever color you want. Then you want to mix it. Only if you want to, you can add your glitter now. Then you add your shaving cream. Not too much. Next thing you want to do is pour a little bit of your Tide or Gain into your slime. Then when it doesn't stick to the container, you grab it and you start mixing with your hands. Then when your slime is done, you put it in your container to let it go. You do the same steps with the other two colors and leave it in your container for a couple hours, and it turns it like this. The slime is really fluffy, as you can tell. This is how you make multicolored slime. Thank you for watching my first video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe down below. Bye!